Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Sequoia 2001 to 2007? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2001 and 2002 manages electrical circuits for interior systems such as lighting, power windows, and climate controls. It protects these circuits from overloads while ensuring smooth and reliable operation of the cabin's electrical components. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2003 to 2007 supports key interior systems, including lighting, power accessories, and control modules. It ensures stable power distribution and protects vital cabin electronics from overloads or short circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2001 and 2002 safeguards major under-hood systems such as the engine, cooling, and ignition circuits. It distributes power efficiently while protecting essential components from electrical faults and overloads. The relay box controls high-current engine and cooling system functions through dedicated relays for reliable operation. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2003 to 2007 distributes power to essential engine and drivetrain systems, including ignition, cooling, and fuel components. It offers strong circuit protection to prevent electrical overloads and ensure dependable underhood operation. The relay box houses relays that manage high-current engine, cooling, and powertrain functions for smooth and reliable operation. The additional box supports extra engine-related circuits and accessories by providing added protection and power management. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.